Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we share with you the latest insights on health and wellness. In today's video, we're going to talk about how sugar affects your body and brain, and why you might want to cut down on your sweet intake. What is sugar and how does it fuel your brain? Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that provides energy for your cells. When you eat sugar, it gets broken down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream and travels to your brain. Glucose is the primary fuel for your brain cells, or neurons, which need a lot of energy to function properly. How does sugar affect your brain's reward system? Some sugars are digested quickly and cause a rapid spike in blood glucose levels, while others are digested slowly and cause a gradual rise and fall in blood glucose levels. Foods with a high GI can activate the reward system in your brain, which is a network of structures that produce feelings of pleasure and motivation. When you eat foods with a high GI, such as candy or soda, your brain releases a chemical called dopamine, which makes you feel good and crave more. This is similar to what happens when you take addictive drugs, such as cocaine or heroin. How does sugar affect your cognitive function? Sugar can impair your cognitive function in several ways. First, sugar can cause inflammation throughout your body and especially in your brain. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic or excessive, it can damage your tissues and organs. Second, sugar can reduce the production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is essential for the formation of new synapses, which are the connections between neurons. Without enough BDNF, synapses become weak and dysfunctional, affecting your learning and memory. Third, sugar can affect the balance of neurotransmitters in your brain. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that carry signals between neurons. They regulate various aspects of your mood, cognition, and behavior. Sugar can alter the levels of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, glutamate, and GABA, which can affect your mood stability, motivation, focus, and impulse control. How does sugar increase your risk of brain disorders? The long-term effects of sugar on the brain can be even more serious. Chronic consumption of sugar can increase the risk of developing brain disorders such as dementia or Alzheimer's disease. These disorders are characterized by progressive loss of cognitive function due to degeneration of brain cells and synapses. One of the possible mechanisms behind this link is insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that helps glucose enter your cells for energy. When you eat too much sugar or foods with a high GI, your blood glucose levels become too high and your cells become less responsive to insulin. This is called insulin resistance. Insulin resistance not only affects your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels but also your brain's ability to use glucose as fuel. This can impair your brain's energy metabolism and lead to oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Oxidative stress is caused by an imbalance between free radicals, molecules that damage cells, and antioxidants, molecules that protect cells. Oxidative stress can damage DNA, proteins, lipids, and other components of your brain cells. How to reduce your sugar intake? You don't have to give up sugar completely to protect your health. You just need to be more mindful of how much and what kind of sugar you consume. Here are some tips to help you reduce your sugar intake. 1. Choose foods with a low GI, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. These foods will provide you with steady energy and keep your blood sugar levels stable. 2. Avoid foods with added sugars, such as sodas, candies, cakes, cookies, ice cream, and processed foods. These foods are high in calories but low in nutrients and fiber. They will spike your blood sugar levels and trigger cravings for more. 3. Read nutrition labels carefully and look for hidden sugars in the ingredients lists. Sugar can have many different names, such as sucrose, glucose, fructose, maltose, dextrose, corn syrup, honey, agave nectar, molasses, and so on. 4. Limit your intake of natural sugars, such as fruit juices, dried fruits, honey, and maple syrup. Eat them in moderation and preferably with some protein or fiber to slow down their absorption. 5. Use natural sweeteners, such as stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol, to sweeten your beverages or desserts. These sweeteners are derived from plants and have little or no impact on your blood sugar levels. 6. Drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger or sugar cravings. Water can help you feel full and flush out toxins from your body. 7. Manage your stress levels and get enough sleep. Stress and lack of sleep can affect your hormones and appetite regulation. They can also make you more likely to reach for sugary foods for comfort or energy. 8. Exercise regularly and stay active. Exercise can help you burn calories, improve your insulin sensitivity, boost your mood, and reduce your stress levels. It can also help you build muscle mass and increase your metabolic rate. Conclusion: sugar is not all bad for you. It can provide you with energy and pleasure when consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. However, too much sugar can have harmful effects on your body and brain. It can impair your cognitive function, mood, behavior, and increase your risk of developing brain disorders. By following these tips, you can reduce your sugar intake and improve your health and well-being. Remember that you are in control of what you eat and how it affects you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this information. See you next time.